Have you seen this? Or this? Or maybe this? Or this? If not, then sit back, watch, and enjoy the video. Warning, the intro is very loud, so good luck.
Pedro Bato!
Today, we play Terraria. Let's put the size to large. And difficulty, maybe master? Yeah, master. And yeah, let's just maybe crimson so it matches. And the name, let's just edit it.
World domination!
Is the name of our world. Okay, what about the seed? What about number nines with the number nines and the number nines? Yeah, I think this is all. Okay, let's go. This is too boring to wait. Let's just skip to the good part. Bro, look at this. Oh, I'm swinging the sun, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. I didn't know you can swing, bring chicken wing the sun, bro. This is crazy. Look at this, bro. Let's go. It's finally loaded, bro. Alright, what should we do? Okay, this is my character. It's Pedro Bato. Oh yeah, I might just get some seeds here. I mean, look at this, dude. My character is so cool. I mean, Pedro Bato comes from my animation. He's a vampire. Yeah. So wait, I still hasn't gotten used to this, bro. I mean, like it's been a while since I played Terraria. Yeah. Bro, it hasn't been an entire minute since I played. I already died. You stupid slime, bro. Get the heck out of here. Come on. I mean, it's difficult to kill slimes, bro. I mean, the difficulty is master, so it's gotta be hard. But hey, you get cool awards. And drop roots are insanely high. And what the heck is this slime, bro? Oh, this pink small slime. I think that was kind of familiar. I think. Wait. This cave. Let me get some stuff. Yeah, that slime is a bit familiar. Wait. Wait. How do I? Ouch. That slime. I think that's the slime that spawns the boss of slimes. The queen slime. Ooh, I'm jumping the slimes like I'm Mario, bro. My friend will join soon, so yeah, I might play later, so I died again, bro. What the heck? Well, I don't really care. I mean, he's here now. I'm not alone. So let's get going, bro. The frick. Yo, Jacob, save him, man. Dude. Bruh. Oh yeah, Mark, that guy, he's MG actually. In a couple of minutes, we're going to, like, in Discord, we talk, so it's easy to communicate. We might just get some trees and build some houses. So I remembered back then when me and MJ played like Terraria in the past. We got so cooked so hard that we literally just gave up. Like, dude, we started all over again on easy mode. That was some traumatizing stuff, man. And the worst part of it all was that we got jumped every time by monsters non-stop. And whoa, slime, let's kill him. Yo, we're gonna die. Bro, run. Jacob, run, bro. Mark, yo, run. He's on one health. You deal. Okay, run, Jacob. I'ma stop them all. Oh no. Yo, I'm on one health, bro. Run. No. I died again. I mean, my man Jacob helped, so yeah. Yo. Oh no. Wait. Oh yeah, Mark is going to save the day. No, okay. Yo, that's my stuff. Get out. Bro, my stuff. I don't care. Just give it to me, bro. this time. Oh yeah, the woods. I might build some wooden house. I need to build this quick, bro. I mean, in the night there's going to be flying eyes and some zombies. Bro, this slime is so a tryhard, man. This slime is a tryhard, really, bro. Okay, so I might build this wooden house for me and MG and Jacob. I mean, if I don't build this at night, we're gonna get so cooked and we're going to die all over and all over again. In the 5 minutes of the video, I started to make the chair and the table so that we could like put Jacob in the house. And I also built a door. Everyone needs a door, right? And Mark gave me some wood to continue on building. So I built another door on the other side. I mean, this is 2D, man. It's clearly Terraria. And I built the roof because maybe monsters will drop down from above and kill us. And when I was done, and some armor of mine because I need protection, bro. What if some monsters like kill me again and I would die? And I built the wall. It got a little dark. I ran out of wood quickly, but I crafted some more. And I just put some torches, and voila, it's complete. And I've got the achievement of no hobo. And after that, I crafted some wooden armor for my friend. Well, I got a missing piece, the boots. I gave my friend the armor anyway since he was fighting for his dear life. I decided to help him. And well, he gave me some wood. And I fighted more slimes since like it's surrounding us. Well, I crafted the other piece of armor and gave it to him. Well, now Mark is fully geared up like me. While we were surrounded by slimes, we were helplessly inside our house, like a little bunker. I mean, it's cool, right? Well, we are safe in this small box, but we have nothing to do anyway, bro. It was almost morning, but I was kind of impatient. I started digging a hole underground because, I mean, I was thinking it might look cool if we have an underground base. But I also got some stone. I mean, we need stone to craft a furnace. A furnace is a necessity, bro. What the heck even on it? Never mind. Yeah, so I was like, I started to think of a way on how to go upstairs, but there's this like wooden pillars, so yeah, I started to place them one by one. I mean, Mark, he was like, he's just patiently waiting for morning to hit. So yeah, we're just bros in a tight room. From this moment forward, this is the recording with me and MJ. I mean, just the first second I already died, so enjoy.
Oh bro, lagaw eh. Kamay kikagil.
Nag-record ka?
Nag-record ako.
Lag kayo, no?
Lag kayo kung mag-record.
Wala ka nag-record.
Ala ka, ha?
Wala ka nag-record.
Nag-record ko.
Nag-record po ko. Mag-record ko, ha?
Yeah, record.
1, 2, 3.
Anak ka eh.
Ay, sabaya.
Wait! Namatay ko!
Daga!
No, sige kung matay, daggan lagi kung mga copper.
Tagi na sila, uy.
Ano
Ala, what the?
Kutog ka nag-damage akong godly super copper.
Dagan ko.
While I was organizing my weapons, I was ready to fight the one-eyed monster. But I had no idea what was lurking in the future. Just watch.
Diyan akong gayang mata. One shot ko rin niya.
Doi, what you know?
Gani.
Daru pa. Bahala na, bahala ko.
Noob. akong gamit. Namatay na po ko. Wey! Matay na po ko. Gi-spawn kill man ko ani niya. Sira to. Uy! Matay.
Lagog, di ka karaog, di ka karaog, di ka
Ako mga gamit. Patyon ako.
I was desperate to take my items back. I mean, I died like the second time, bro. I don't wanna die the third time, but I've got a new strategy instead. Just watch.
Kadi! Balik sulod. Ghost. Kawas! Sus, kasmat. Uy, sirado.
Tira black na diya.
Tagahanan ako gamit, oy.
From the multiple deaths until now that has occurred, I've realized that my character is really weak. Like, I mean, I don't have enough hearts to tank all the damage, bro. I can easily die. Like, I got one shot by an eye, bro.
Sakit.
Karon lang, pagbuntag. Yan, kamagawa sa gagig mga ungo. Matay ko, sige. Katulon ako matayo. Ay, ambos. Pedro Bato.
While me and MG were planning to set off to an adventure tomorrow morning, but we don't have time since we're surrounded by zombies. Like, this is hard mode, bro. We can easily die by zombies. Our arsenals right now are weak, so we're planning to set off to an adventure. We're planning to get some more powerful armors than now, so we could have a chance to survive more. So we could have a lot more chances to live an adventure more safely.
Kung hardcore pa ni, wala na taning nga chance.
Ala! Wala naman!
Unsa man ka? Kuha ba ng kuhan? Pedro Bato balay.
Bata ko din eh, bato. Bata yung malay.
Tani, Bato po pangalan.
Pedro. Ako ang Mark.
Oscar, tani.
Shahid.
Kadaghan og mga kuhan zombie.
Oscar yung pangalan oh.
Mga noobs. Headshot. Sunog. Patay mong balay.
Masunog ganyan na ron.
Day, ito masunog.
Kung balay, naunsa naman eh. Wala lagi rin si Chok. Ibalik na ko na si Chok Pedro ah.
Joga.
Pedro.
Hala ka.
Wala, wait, dito.
Wait.
Puti ito ba? Dito pula.
Wait daw.
Balin ko pula.
Berhenti pala. Wait. Okay, imo na ko.
Mag-away ito ba? Challenge. Hindi ko.
Ay, sayaw.
Hindi ko.
Sayang kitong mga kuan. Wala tong mga gamit ba?
Mag-away ko na lagi. Labayan doon ko ni Gumba lagi.
Ayaw ka.
The sky started to get filled with darkness. Sooner or later, I realized that it's because of the gravestone. Because of the multiple deaths, we have planted our gravestone everywhere. So now our gravestone gives off ominous, evil vibes. That's why the atmosphere starts to get all freaky and creepy. So that's the reason why.
Latibas. Kalitrag ngit. Remember katong sanuna katong mo kalitrag kuan dark o black.
Ako lang ni Chumpi.
Kung dagan pugig mga ghost. Iwas.
Oh. Iwas. Ito man ni Blackboard.
Ari, wala dili dark kay diri. Gani dark kayo.
Basi naman. Ano may namatay ko no? Paon ko ni.
Ay,
Sabani ko kuha na eh.
Ay, gubang ubos kanang nasa yuta. Nawala dayon.
Oh, nasa na.
Narang sumbi.
Sa palay ay.
Gani. Ay tingala di ko sa nunang anong daghan kay kuan na naray ghost ay.
Wala na.
Na ing kalitrag clear no.
Oh.
Kung ano yung mga kuan. No, na naman kay ghost to.
Paon na ko na yung botay yan eh. Sa mali ay.
Napagid diri ay.
Kuha na.
Kuan kayo.
Ay, bati. Kuha na ba? Musin ni itong doy.
Gani, remember ka to sa nuna to mo itom tong word. Pabita ka balo ngano.
Dali.
Karon ka balo. Libog kita to. Tungod sa mga gravestone na to.
Itong matay ka.
Gani, si tagmatay na. Dagang kita
Buha mo na.
gravestone.
Buha ko ah. Koy.
Cole. Kinsa si Cole?
Ha?
Na si Cole daw. Cole.
May bag-o.
Asa?
Asa? Wala na si Cole?
Si Cole, oh.
Ah, si-
Naka, mga slime.
Isa na, huwag na.
Naraing balik siya. Namatay si Jacob, ing balik si Cole.
If you didn't know, Jacob died because Mark opened the door at night when we were surrounded by monsters, leading to Jacob's death. So it was kind of sad.
Reincarnate siya.
Hindi ko pangalan.
Help, underground or crystal hearts. Ana, crystal hearts ning pangalan na to. Katugod mo increase atong mga health, J. Crystal hearts ang pangalan na to.
After hearing Crystal Hearts, me and MJ were planning to get them by going to the mines because every Terraria world there's always a cave in every side, and under that cave there's like a mine shaft. You can go there and ride, maybe encounter some houses, abandoned ones with many loots. So that was our plan. But first,
Nani? Lo, Hermie the Merchant. Katong muragbayot nga purple ba? Ay, old man.
Bayot na ko, nakatugol na.
Gadi.
Bayot, talaka.
Uy, nara.
we encountered our first NPC visit. Like every once in a while, there's always an NPC popping out of nowhere and going to your house and claiming it's theirs. Yeah, that's what happened to Humphrey. Yeah, that old guy. And if you're wondering who I was talking about, the purple bayot guy, it's the merchant that lives and revisits once in a while.
What? Yeah, bitter
Yan,
na.
adventure tattoo. Ah, dali ara, oy. 26 na ka.
Me and MJ were planning to go on adventure, you know, to get some loots because like we only been surviving and building all this time, so we need some adventure and some, you know, excitement. But you know, it's because he's low on battery, bro. It's like it's been an hour since we've recorded.
Ta adventure ta.
Ako rano.